Hey everybody, Mr. Seward here, and the purpose of this video is to show you how to turn individual drawings into a sheet set. So this should be fast. Alright, so this is my first sheet. You can see it says sheet number 1 right here. I'm going to add a second sheet, and then you could add 3, 4, so on and so forth. So I'm going to go to the second sheet. And right up at the top here on the Properties Manager, it says sheet number 1. I'm going to right click on that and select Copy. Now I'm going to go back to my first sheet. I'm going to go into the Property Manager again, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to click the word Paste. And what that does is that inserts a second sheet. So if I double click on that, I'll see that. Now I'll catch that little minus mark. I have sheet number 1, which is grayed out, which means it's not visible. I'll double click on that. Whoops, there we go. And then sheet number 2. When I go to print this, I go to File. I'm going to go down to Print. We're going to make this into a PDF today. You could choose another printer if you wanted. I'm going to say Best Fit. And here where it says Print Range, I'm going to say All Sheets. And then I will preview. I can select Next Page. And it looks good. Now I'll select Print and say OK. It's going to ask me for a name for this, so you would go to your H drive. For me right now, I'm just going to put this up on my desktop, and I'm going to call this, well, I'll just call it Sheet Set. And I'll hit Save. And it's as simple as that. You're going to attach this file to the Google Classroom.